Good afternoon, guys. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm just gonna show you I'm going somewhere to a friend's place, and thereafter we go to Loyal Heart. My friend promised to buy me microphone, so I'll be having microphone from today. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for being here, for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, this is when I'm going to Dora's place. So I'm leaving my home, and this is how I'm going now. A friend like this one.
I'm trying to let her upgrade her game. We are tired of her background.
She said she's tired of my background. She wants to upgrade me, so she brought me to this shop. Imagine having a friend like this one who will buy you everything from your channel. She's buying me